Welcome to this video tutorial on how to merge SKUs in OnePatch. The Merge SKU feature is used to combine two products together to deduct both products' stock when an order is imported into OnePatch. To merge your SKUs in OnePatch, go to the menu on the left-hand side page of your screen and click Products, then Merge SKUs. Once this page loads, you will see a search bar at the top of the page. This is used to enter the SKUs you would like to merge. Just enter the SKUs here. Once you have done this, click Merge SKUs. This will create the Merge SKU, and it will show in the list below. And that's it. You have now merged two SKUs together. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other video tutorials for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your OnePatch account.